They're all around us. They don't wear capes and have superhuman powers like comic book heroes. But when they see a need, they spring into action and use their talents, big and small, to make things better. As we all face new challenges that have come with a global pandemic and address ongoing threats like climate change and racial injustice, it's clear we need them now, more than ever. They are the change makers. They're the ones who stand up for others, who are willing to do what they can, with what they have, to make a difference. Through small acts of kindness and grand acts of courage, they leverage their creativity to imagine a better reality for us all. That's why Students Rebuild is launching the Changemaker Challenge, to shine a light on those making the world brighter and inspiring others to do the same. Accepting the challenge is simple. First, connect with us. Register a team and connect with other participants online by joining the challenge community. Second, learn more. Whether you're attending school from home or in a different kind of classroom this year, we invite you to learn about changemakers, their qualities, their talents, and how they help others. Discover someone in your school, home, neighborhood, or even you. Third, take action. Pick a changemaker you want to celebrate, as many as you'd like. Recognize their good work by making a fun and creative award using whatever materials you have. Then, share it with us. For each award shared with Students Rebuild, the Bezos Family Foundation will make a $5 donation, up to $1 million, to select organizations supporting young changemakers working across the globe. Join the Changemaker Challenge today and help celebrate young people making a difference. Learn more at studentsrebuild.org/changemaker.